Did you know that peanuts and candy corn, when they're eaten together, tastes like a Payday candy bar? Well, I'm doing one better and I'm making fudge. You're not gonna wanna miss it. This is an easy fudge recipe, the one that you use sweetened condensed milk for. So we're gonna add 2 cups, 12 ounces, 1 bag of white chocolate chips, a half of a cup of creamy peanut butter, and a 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk into a pot. And we're gonna just heat that over medium-low heat until it's nice and smooth. And you're just gonna stir it and stir it and stir it until it's completely melted. It's gonna take a little bit of time for all that white chocolate to melt into that peanut butter. Go ahead and stir it. You wanna make sure it doesn't burn, so be sure to stir it so that it doesn't burn on the bottom of the pot. You can use creamy or crunchy peanut butter in this, whatever you like. Once it's all stirred in, you're going to add in your mix-ins, peanuts and candy corn, and you'll also add some vanilla. And that peanut and candy corn combination is what makes it taste like a Payday. It's absolutely delicious along with that peanut butter fudge. It's almost like a nougat center. And you're gonna have a pan lined with foil and sprayed with nonstick cooking spray, and you're just going to spread that fudge in the pan and then let it set. It should set on the soft set on the counter. You can also pop this in the refrigerator to help it set a little bit quicker. Then just slice it into squares and serve. This is great. It freezes easily and stores in the refrigerator for a few weeks. This is a super simple fudge recipe. I absolutely love fudge because it keeps in the refrigerator for at least 2 weeks. You can freeze it. It's perfect for the holidays. Use up that candy corn you have left from Halloween. Make this for the holidays. You're going to love it. If you don't follow me already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment and let me know what other fudge recipes you want to see, and keep watching for even more desserts.